Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Andrew from Andrew's Auto Freaks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a cabin filter. So cabin filter is the one that's attached to your aircon, and there's a filter inside. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the cabin filter because mine is starting to smell and it's very musty every time I turn on my aircon. So I'm going to show you now how easy to replace a cabin filter for Kia Forte, but you can actually do it in any other car by finding it in your manual. Or basically, if you know where your air filter is, you can just replace it by getting a spare one from your local spare part shop. So let's go and I'll show you how it's done. So firstly, you gotta identify where yours is. So I already have my replacement right here, so I'm gonna show you. So usually the cabin filters are right behind the glove compartment, or you can find it where in your manual. So I gotta clean this up first, remove few clips and reach behind this. There you go. So I have a clip here, the one here has been missing. Only to remove the clips. If you had there you go. And usually it's right behind there. So firstly, you got to remove the housing, that is this little piece here. So for Kia Forte is basically, there's two things here: pinch, open, pull. That's it. So this aside, and you can see it comes right out. And this is disgusting. So basically you just have to take it out from the housing. I would clean this up first before putting it back. So I'm gonna clean this off camera, and look at how dirty it is. I'll come back with the new one and I'll show you how the new one fits. There's also one more. Basically it slides out sideways. So you gotta pull out this way and pull out here. Ta-da. Look how disgusting that is. Unbelievable. It's so black. Just have to take it out and replace it. And this is how a new one's supposed to look like. But check out the difference. So it's literally white, and this one is the old one. So time to get rid of this one and replace it with the new one. So I have already washed the housing off camera, and I'm gonna put this beautiful new white filter into this. Voila! So once you slot this in and basically put back exactly how you took it out. So the first one goes this way, and the other one, which is this one, just slots in. Once that is done, put back the housing the same way you took it out, and you're done. That's it. All you have to do is put all the pieces together, and ta-da! Well, there you have it, guys. It was that simple to replace your cabin air filter with just a few easy steps. Remove the old one, chuck it aside, replace it with a new one, put it back together, and turn on your aircon. It should be smelling good, like mine. It's really easy, guys. You can do this in a matter of 2-3 minutes. It's easy. So yeah. So before I continue this, I really appreciate if you guys could subscribe to my channel, because I've noticed that almost 80% of people that visit my channel has not or do not subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. Just click subscribe, click the notification button, and you will be notified whenever I release some new videos on some new DIYs or whatever videos I can come up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, tell me why in the comments down below. Or if you like the video as well, tell me what you like about the video, and maybe I shall come up with a few more other ideas to make other videos. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. As always, never look back and always look forward. See you in the next one, guys. Take care.